What's up, y'all? It's your boy Illustrator Rock 254, man. These decals came into work, man. I like it. I want to put it on shirts. So, I'm gonna walk you out through the process that I did. Got into my graphic designer bizag. So, first we had to take the sticker, and then alright, so I brought it over to the printer, put it on the printer, scanned it in, like so. We'll get to that part in a minute. Then, after we got it scanned in on the computer, took it over to our program here where we digitized it. So this could be cut as a whoever knows what, but now I can digitize it, or it is digitized. I can edit, do whatever I want to with it. I then took it over into the Cricut software. Of course, something with this much detail, you're not gonna want to try to weed it all out. So we did what we call a print and cut, which is pretty much going to, like I said, I want to put it on a shirt. So from there, I can pretty much take it here and put it on this sheet here. Now, of course, this is not transferable or anything. I'm just using this for example's sake. But I would just have to load up my mat. So it does more than just cut vinyl. Alright, so it says to continue, please connect your Maker 3. Which is just booted up or whatnot. So we're gonna wait for it to talk to it and talk back. Alright, so here we're gonna go through all of the materials. So artboard, cardstock. Like I said, for the demonstration purposes, we just got a regular piece of paper, honestly. Paper, copy paper, laser copy paper. So we'll do that one. So next thing we gotta do, load it up. You can see there, it's ready for us to load it up. I'm gonna probably have to bring it forward just a tad. And then when it gets to going out the back like that, we don't want it to hit the wall. And then we press go. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna read the document, the light comes on, so it knows exactly where it is that it's cutting, or the boundaries, etc., etc. Set the blade for the paper that we put on there. And then about to do its thing. Cut it on out. Now, could you imagine trying to cut something like this out by hand perfectly? I'm gonna show you how precise the thing is. And this is all real time, not sped up. That's it. It said, get your paper and be gone. So we're gonna bring it back over here. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. So we did get a little bit of tearing right there, but for the most part, we're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. Just like that, baby. Like I said, with regular paper, that's probably where that came from. Trying to get that pressure just right, but yeah, there it is, perfect cutout. So now the only thing I would have to do is print it on like a transfer, mirror the image or whatever, and then I can put it on t-shirt. Dude.